That's the sweet sound of victory right there. Wow, I actually feel like a real person when I walk now. Wow, I actually feel like a real person when I walk now. Great. I think everything's going really well. Got major surprises in store for you, but I won't give anything away just yet. I feel like I'm just hitting my stride. I feel great about it. It's really like awakening something in me, I guess. It's been a while since I felt this good. Got a couple of projects working in the garden. My heel seems to be recovering pretty well. I found a great workout routine I could do without running and stressing it. So I'll probably give you guys a little bit of a glimpse at that tonight to kind of end this video. But yeah, I feel good about that. I got a little bit of a walk in. It's recovering pretty well. This will be the day 2 of rest. So we'll see how it feels tomorrow. I probably won't push it if it's not feeling up to it. So we'll have to, it'll be touch and go for now. But I'm excited to get back out there. It was feeling really good. We're in the process of upgrading our camera equipment. So filming some stuff on the phone and some stuff on the GoPro. And so there's going to be a transitionary period where I don't know what I'll really do. So that last run put me over 500 miles total. So it's a pretty good feeling. It's been a fun journey. The running game it was pretty rewarding. I remember my first run out. I was inspired to get into running from my brother Doug. And my first run, I went and I got a Camelback because I thought that was the key. I had to stay hydrated. So I wore a silly Camelback. It was off-brand too, so it was even worse. And it fell apart when I got to the top of my driveway, which is about a half mile straight uphill. And so I had no water on my walk/run. I made it about 1.5 miles, or I guess 3/4 of a mile, and came back, so it was 1.5 miles total. And that was my first run. It was pretty brutal. And but I ran every day for the next 20 days. Anyway, let me know what you guys think about the farm so far in the comments down below. Any suggestions or feedback you might have would be very helpful as well. If you'd like to support the channel and the work I'm doing here, you can hit subscribe, and that would just really help me out a lot. I really appreciate you guys. It's been a pleasure. I enjoy working for you guys. So the plan tomorrow, we're gonna finish up in the backyard. We're gonna have a few builds that we're working on. It'll kind of build up the surprise I have in store for you guys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try my hand at this raised garden bed that I've started over here. I might till up one of the other beds. I don't know. We'll see where it goes from there. But so stay tuned for action-packed day tomorrow. If you guys could, it would really help me out a lot if you would share my page on social media. And you know, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. That's the sweet sound of victory right there. It's a beautiful thing. Let me know what you think of the channel so far. Let me know if you have any suggestions, any farming tips or hacks. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. And till next time, see you guys later. Thanks.